assembly model states inside of Autodesk Inventor 2022 provide new workflows to manage multiple representations of your design. Model states can be used in assembly models to capture your design intent, show multiple manufacturing stages, assembly configurations, or a simplified version of your design inside of one assembly file. In this example, we see a new model state being created. The new model state records the suppression state of components and remembers the model state settings of subcomponents. Multiple families or variations of a design can quickly be created using a spreadsheet. Each model state captures unique part properties and quantities to track the number of items required in your bill of material and parts list. In addition, new instance properties can be allocated to individual components, allowing each instance of a component to be tagged with information that's unique to that component. Instance properties could be used to identify the location, order of fit for your assembly, or to add unique service numbers to each component. We often need a simplified version of our designs for simulation, coordination, or to simply protect our intellectual property. In the past, we've used automation tools to help simplify designs retrospectively. Model states allow a new possibility of building components that have simplified representations built in from the start. Simplified representations can be automatically linked to assembly model states to provide a quick and easy way to simplify an entire design. Model states are fully supported by the Inventor API and iLogic to help you automate your design workflow. Simplified models can be used to create drawings of large-scale assemblies where small detail may not be required. Autodesk Inventor 2022 provides you with new functionality to help you streamline your modeling and automation tasks with model states for assembly files.